In this video, we will create product animation promo video in Canva. It will work like this. So to create this, open blank video page, select color, select background color. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for smoothie mango. Now under photos, let's select this image. Remove its background. You can reduce its size and place it on the bottom left like this. Now click on text, add heading. Let's add this heading, mango smoothie. Increase its size. Place it in the middle. Click on font. Let's select this Aprila font. Let's pick this color. Under document colors. Now click on effects. Under style, select outline. Now click on elements, graphics. Let's select this mango. This one also and this one. Let's place these, reduce its size and place it here on the top left side. Let's flip this mango, flip horizontal and place it at this position on the top right side. And this one, select and place it on the last two words like this. Now duplicate this page. Select this text and place this image on the bottom right side. Reduce its size. Now select this image and bring it close to this image. Now select this image and place it on the top left side like this. Similarly, bring this image in and increase its size like this. Delete this text. Click on text, add a heading. Let's add this heading. Reduce its size and place it on the bottom right side like this. Select this image, reduce its size, select this text and increase its size. Select this text and change font to RO. Click on effects, under style, select noon, reduce its intensity, click on color, let's pick this color. Now click on page transition, select match and move, increase duration. Now right click on this page, select duplicate page. Now place this page at the end. Click on page transition, match and move and increase duration. Now select this page, reduce this text size. Select this image, place it on the bottom right side. Now select this image, place it here close to text. Increase its size, like this. Now select this text and reduce its size. Now when you play, it will work like this. So moving further, let's add another page. Click on background color, select document color, and from here you can pick some different color like this. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for chocolate shake. Now select this class, reduce its size. You can increase zoom size, and now place this on the bottom right side like this. Now click on text, add a heading. Let's add this heading and place it in the middle. Click on font. Let's select Alice font. Click here so that it will be all in uppercase. Increase its size. Place it in middle. Click on effects. Under style, select neon. Change intensity value. Click on outline. It will look like this. Now click on elements. Select this under photos. Select this also. Delete this one. Now let's increase this size. Place it here. Go to layers, send backward so that it will go behind the text. Now select transparency from here. Reduce transparency. Right click and duplicate this page. Now select this page, reduce its size. Now reduce this image size and place it on the top left side. Bring this image inside. Increase its size. Slightly rotate this image. Place it here. Bring this image also. Increase its size. Now select this text and increase its size. Now select this image and increase this size. Do some adjustments. Now click on page animation, select match and move and increase duration. Now select this page and duplicate this page, place it at the very end. Now select this text, increase its size like this. Now select this image and bring it on the bottom left. Select this image, bring it inside, increase its size like this and place it here. Do some minor adjustments so that it will look better. Now bring this image inside, increase its size, place it here on the bottom right. Now right click, click on layer, then select bring to front so that it will come above the text. Reduce this text size, place it here. Now increase this image size. Right click and duplicate this page, place it after this page. Now when you play, it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you will get future updates. Thank you.